Assalamu alaikum viewer, hope you are fine. Today is my topic how to reset Google Chrome. First of all, open Google Chrome, then on right side right corner menu, three dots, click on three dots. After that click on setting, then on right click on reset and clean up. After that click on restore setting to their original default. Click on reset setting, check the instruction, then click on reset setting. Now your browser is reset to their default setting successfully. Thank you viewer, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.